There's Alfredo in the fridge. Come on, I'll warm you up some.
Thanks, babe. That sounds good. I appreciate it.
What's wrong? What do you... Don't do it.
But it's right there.
No, Jeremy, you have a problem.
It's a guy thing, babe.
I won't vent to you for a month. I'll give you a vacuum sealed double wrist Schmeek ringer every time you play the video game. we can have a three with one of my friends. Hello?
Do it.
But who was that? Jeremy? Jeremy, no! I offered a three-way.
Yeah, but I've seen your friends. It was worth it.